Wavetool tutorial number 9, Licensing. In this video we will learn how to license the Wavetool software, check which license is being used, and lastly, learn how to move licenses between Wavetool computers. After you've received your Wavetool license activation code, launch the Wavetool software. Wavetool gives you a free 7-day trial. The first window to open will show you its status. In the same window, you'll find the Start Activation button. Click Start Activation and in the drop-down menu, select the license type you have purchased. Type in or copy-paste the license activation code you have received to the empty license code field, and then type in a valid email address. This email address doesn't have to be the same address used for the purchase of the license. Once all the fields are filled in, select Activate and you are ready to go. For the initial activation of Wavetool, you will need to have a working internet connection. If you have multiple network ports in use, please make sure that Wavetool tries to connect to the internet from a network port that is actually connected to the internet. The easiest way to do this is to set the port connected to the internet to be the first in the service order. Open the computer's System Preferences, then choose Network. From the bottom left corner of the window, open the drop-down menu and then choose Set Service Order. Find the port connected to the internet, then drag and drop it to the top of the list and press OK. To check that your license activation was successful, take a look at the bottom right corner of the Wavetool main window. If the activation worked, the license type will be displayed here. Another way to check is to click the Wavetool menu item, then choose Licensing. Your activated license type will be shown here too. Each Wavetool license permits only one computer to be licensed at one time. If you need to move the license between computers, you will need to deactivate the license from the first computer before the same license activation code can be used on a different computer. To deactivate your license, first check you're connected to the internet, then go to the Wavetool menu item and then select Licensing. Next, hit the Deactivate button. Wavetool will ask if you're sure you want to remove the activated license from this computer. If you are sure, then click Deactivate and this instance of Wavetool will be deactivated. Your activation code can now be used on another computer. To check which license activation code is being used on your computer, simply go to the Wavetool menu item and choose About Wavetool. The window shows the in-use license activation code. To prevent theft, much of it is hidden, but you can check the first and last 8 characters. Sometimes life just happens and the computer running Wavetool breaks before you're able to deactivate your license. If you're unlucky like this, then please contact support@wavetool.fi, specify your license type and license activation code, and your license can be reset.